All right, so we're looking at our drawing here of our adjusting arm. We're going to focus on this area right here. I'm going to go home, and then I'm going to make sure I'm on my center marks layer, and then I'm going to go over to annotate. Once you're on annotate here, you're going to zoom in on this here. You're going to go center mark. You're going to center mark this circle up. We're going to do 4 different circles. This circle here, and this circle here. If those are already not center marked, you need to get them center marked right now. Then we're going to come over to our layout page here. So I can escape the layout page. Okay, I'm going to delete this detailed view. So this is what we're going to create right here. So I'm going to delete that one. You can create this on any layer right now, but I'm going to actually make sure I'm on my center marks layer just to make it easier. Circle. I'm going to draw a circle up top here. I'm going to make sure it's in the right area. So not quite right there. So C, circle. Circle again. A circle, and right about that size. It could be any general size, just in general the same size as the circle right here. Then right here, I'm going to click on that circle. I am going to go up to layout up top here. Where it says rectangular, you're going to click the drop down menu and go to object. Once you're on object, it asks you down here, specify corner or viewports. I want to specify this corner, that viewport, and then simply double click real fast here. Once it's highlighted in black, that means you have started that viewport. And I can zoom in on this area right now. And you can see what's happening here when I select that. You can see this is toggling on and off right there too. So we're going to zoom in on it and check it all out here. I want to get this tooth mark. This is what we're going to be zooming in on. Don't worry about this stuff here on the right side. When we go over to model space, you will see that. Once you're zoomed in on it enough there, we're going to change this down here to 5:1. 5:1 size right there, because that's the correct size. So 5 times the size of what it actually is. Then I'm going to click to the side. So I'm going to come. I can actually make sure it gets centered a bit more, and then I'm going to double check that it's 5:1 here again. That looks good. Click to the side. Double click to the side. Then come on over here, and I'm going to double click on this. This is going to take you into model space here. Once you're in model space, what you're going to do here is you are going to go up to home. The home icon up here. You're going to go to center marks, and we're going to freeze. So freeze a layer of selected objects. What I want to freeze here, I want to freeze this layer right here. I want to get rid of that, hide that on our other view here. So I'm going to select this, and then it asks, is it current? Do you want to freeze it? Yes. Okay, once it's frozen, you'll see it disappear. You can escape out of that command, come on back to model space here, and you can see it here. Okay, you see it there, excellent, but you don't see that line right there. We are also going to, before we lock this here, we're going to change this layer right here. So I escaped out of there, click on the side here, click on this. I want to change that to my viewport layer, VP layer, because my VP layer is not going to print. So when I go down, you can double check this. When I go down to my layout down here, right click, go to plot, you will see, and I preview it here, that circle is gone, and that's what we want. Ultimately, we'll fix those edges at the very end. All right, that is the end of this video. Thanks, everyone.